Morning, class 4. So let's start. This week we will learn two new poses, but before that, uh, always I told you, always I said, every time whenever you will do yoga, you have to start with some free hand exercise. That's very important, because when you do free hand exercise, some stretching, hands, neck and legs stretching, then you feel energetic, then you can do poses with your full awareness. So here let's start. uh, Three times Om, once Gayatri. That's again I'm saying, last to last class I told you why we will chant Gayatri, why we will chant Om chanting, because Om chanting is very good for your positive mind. That's very important in this scenario. Positivity is most important. So Om chanting is very good for your positive mind, and Gayatri is very good for your intellectuality or Vidya or Buddhi. So that's why whenever you will start, whenever, where, just three times Om, once Gayatri and free hand exercises. Then you can practice two or three poses from class 1 or 2 or 3. You learn so many poses. You can choose any two or three poses and new poses also that I'm teaching you. So you can choose two or three poses, some free hand exercises. That's it. It will take only 5 minutes, dear. So please practice daily or thrice or 5 days. So let's start. Hand should be on your knee. You can see. Back straight. Inhale. Now Gayatri. Om Bhurbhurvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Now, rub your palm and touch your eyes. If you have time, you can chant Gayatri 3 times also. So let's start free hand exercises. Some shoulder rotation, sitting mountain pose and neck rotation. That's 3 only. Now start 3 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hands down. Neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now change. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now third one is sitting mountain pose. Just raise and down. 1. Inhale. Exhale. And down. 4th time. Your palm should be together. Down. 5th and last round. Complete. Now come to the new pose. Side bending. It's called Ardha Kati Chakrasana. We done tree pose and moving tree pose. Tadasana and Tiryak Tadasana. Here I will teach you one new pose. Ardha Kati Chakra Asana. So you have to stand. So let me start. Today I will repeat tree, moving tree and Ardha Kati Chakrasana. All three. can see. If you can't hear, doesn't matter, look at me what I am doing and try to do. Feet should be together, hands here, tree pose, and down, up, down, up, and down. You can do 5 or 7 rounds. Tiryak Tadasana, legs should be apart, hands should be in the same position. Here, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That's it. 5 to 6 rounds. 5 to 6 rounds. Now come to the new pose. In this pose, feet should be together. One hand should be one side, other hand should be up. And your arm should be close to your ear. Here you have to breathe in and breathe out and bend, 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 and up. And down. Down. And down. So like this, 3 standing poses. All these 3 poses are very good for your back, very good for your thighs, very good for flexibility. No contraindications. So, and counting should be 6 or 5 rounds. That's it. Not more than 5. Breathing, you know. Inhale, exhale when you turn. Again, inhale, exhale when you turn. Same, the new one also, side one also. Ardha Kati Chakrasana, breathing should be same. Only in tree pose, when you're going up, you have to inhale. And when you come down, exhale. That's it. Now, so these 3 poses you have to continue, and next class again I teach you one new pose. So till next class, be healthy, happy and safe. Thank you.